All right, so you'll see this, it'll pick up. So what you want to do is you want to click your mic deal. That's the one you want. Your input will show the device you're using. Okay, so I have this device, okay, in audio. It's got the plugs, I have them off to the side somewhere, but what they do is they'll connect to your computer and then they connect to your microphone. Okay, so your microphone will connect to that box. This box connects to here. Okay, so I don't have them connected right now, but you create. Like I said, man, this computer's old, man. It's like from 2013, bro. So anyway, so what you'll see, you'll have this, okay? I don't use that, but it'll give you this track right here. So you'll have the track, okay? So what you want to do is right here, take that off and click that off. You want to go to this, go to time, okay? So then what you want to do is add another mic, and it gives you another mic, okay? So then from there, you know, it even has your own built-in EQs and all that, man. You can add effects to your voice to make it sound stronger. Echo, you can do all kinds of different stuff with it. All right, check it out right here in the corner, your music, okay? So it'll pop up your audio, movies, and all that mess. Anyway, so you're on audio, right? And it'll give you your iTunes media. So if you log into iTunes and if you download iTunes to your computer, it should give you that option to put it on there. So like you'll see all that music or whatever I have on here. Okay, so like all my music's Christian, so you're just gonna have to deal with it, bro. But so like what I do, I forget what song I always use, man, and I always clip it out. It's not that one. I think it's that one. Okay. So what I do is I use that guitar, right? So what I'll do is I'll click it and I don't let go and I drag it. So you see it's drug, okay? So I'll put it right here on that deal. So it's there. You see that it's converting over. All right, so it's there. You can click it and drag it over. So what you want to do, once you do that, So at 16 seconds, right there, it goes into the song. So when you click it, you get to that line right here. And you can even get your volume, go more, less. So if you want to have just a little bit louder, you drag it over. Okay, get to that deal. Double click, split at playhead, okay? Now I can delete the rest of the song if I don't want it on there. And all it's gonna do, it's just gonna play that. Okay, so if I click it, double click, copy, go to the next of it, paste it. So then it just repeats itself. So if I want to do it again, I'll have it right there. Just, you can even shift it over. You can fade it in, fade it out. So that way it doesn't automatically just cut off and makes it sound kind of cheap. So then once you do that, right? So what, give me a sec. Okay, so I keep them linked together. And then you can copy it some more and then put it at the very end of the podcast whenever you're about to close up. So like right here. So now I'm on this channel. So I got a built-in microphone for my laptop. And what I'm gonna start doing is start recording, okay? So once I start talking and I get going, I can turn down that one and turn up my mic and just start talking. So I'm going, speaking, it's catching my voice. You say, you know, welcome to this podcast, blah, 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 blah. Finish your podcast and you stop it, right? Okay, I'll check it out. So once I start talking and I get going, I can turn down that one and turn up my mic and just start talking. So I'm going, speaking, it's catching my voice. You say, you know, welcome to this podcast, blah, 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 blah. Finish your podcast. Then once you're finished, bro, you know, you your file, save as, and then you want to save it. And it should give you the choice to go into your Anchor or whatever I don't know about the Podbean. Then once you do is like, I mean, like I said, I have Anchor right here on bottom, right there. Looks different on the phone, but here on the MacBook, it looks just like that. Okay, so you drag it over, you save it over, you load it up, it'll load up. But this gives you way more deals to work with. You know, like if you're gonna add more mics, you know, you do it again. Okay, so now I have 2 mics. Do it again. Okay, add another mic. That'll be your 3 mics. You can mute one or have your feedback on it. You know, close them off so they're not active, and just the one will be active. Or you can have all 3 of them. If you want music running through the whole thing, then put one song. When it's finished, you know, you add another song, go to another one. Best thing you could do is keep it kind of turned down where they can hear it, but they hear more of the voice. But that's how I do it, man. Hopefully that helps, bro. And let me know if it works.